Have you ever pondered the possibility of time travel? What if you could traverse the epochs at will? Let's take a moment to unravel the enigma of time travel, a concept that has captivated our imaginations for centuries. It's a notion that has been deeply entrenched in our cultural psyche. From the pages of vintage science fiction novels to the celluloid of modern cinema, it's a tantalizing idea, isn't it? The ability to hop between different eras to witness history unfold or to catch a glimpse of the future. But where does this concept originate? The seeds of time travel were sown in the fertile ground of science fiction. The early pioneers of this genre dared to dream about the impossible, presenting us with a fantastical world where the constraints of time could be defied. H.G. Wells, with his iconic novel The Time Machine, is often credited for popularizing the idea. Here, time travel was purely a product of human ingenuity, a mechanical marvel that allowed its operator to journey through the ages. Yet, as the years rolled on, the boundary between science fiction and reality began to blur. The advent of Einstein's theory of relativity introduced us to the concept of space-time, a four-dimensional fabric woven from the threads of space and time. This remarkable idea suggested that time wasn't a steady river flowing at a constant rate, but a malleable entity that could be warped and distorted by the forces of gravity and speed. Suddenly, the idea of time travel didn't seem so far-fetched anymore. In the realm of quantum physics, time travel took on an even more bizarre twist. Here, in the subatomic world, particles seem to defy the conventional laws of time and space, hinting at the possibility of multiple timelines and parallel universes. As intriguing as it sounds, the concept of time travel has evolved from a mere science fiction trope to a topic of serious scientific discussion. It's a fascinating journey that we've embarked upon, one that continues to challenge our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The concept of time travel has long captivated our imaginations, making its first significant appearance in H.G. Wells' 1895 novel, The Time Machine. In the realm of science fiction, time travel has always offered tantalizing possibilities. It's the perfect playground for writers and filmmakers to explore what-if scenarios, challenge our understanding of reality, and speculate about the future and the past. One of the earliest and most influential works in this genre is, of course, H.G. Wells' The Time Machine. This novel not only introduced the concept of a machine that could travel through time, but also used this premise to comment on societal issues of the time. But the concept didn't stop with Wells. It continued to evolve in the hands of creative minds, infiltrating every form of media. In literature, authors like Isaac Asimov, Philip K. Dick, and Robert A. Heinlein further explored the mechanics and implications of time travel. On the airwaves, radio dramas like Dimension X and X-1 brought time travel to the ears of millions, weaving tales of paradoxes, alternate realities, and the often catastrophic consequences of tampering with time. Television, too, has been a fertile ground for time travel narratives. Shows like Doctor Who, Star Trek, and The Twilight Zone have used time travel as a narrative device to take viewers on journeys to different eras, dimensions, and realities. And let's not forget the silver screen. From the fun-filled adventure of Back to the Future to the mind-bending complexity of Primer, films have used time travel to thrill, confuse, and provoke thought in equal measure. These stories have not only entertained us, but have also shaped our understanding of what time travel could look like. They have explored the potential challenges and moral dilemmas it could pose and the ways it could be used or misused. While these narratives have shaped our perception of time travel, they have also inspired scientists to explore the realm of the possible. As fantastical as it may seem, time travel is not entirely dismissed by the world of science. In fact, some of the brightest minds have toyed with theories that flirt with the possibility of hopping back and forth through time. The most notable of these is Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. Einstein introduced us to the concept of space-time, a four-dimensional fabric that interweaves space and time. According to Einstein, the fabric of space-time bends and warps in response to mass and energy. This warping creates what we experience as gravity. But here's where it gets interesting. If space-time can be warped by mass and energy, then it could theoretically be manipulated to create what we call a wormhole, a shortcut through space-time. A wormhole could, in theory, connect two different points in time as well as space, much like a cosmic back alley. But before you get your time-traveling hopes up, It's important to note that wormholes are purely theoretical at this point. No one has ever observed one, and creating a stable wormhole would require a form of matter with negative energy density, something we're not even sure exists. Another theory that toys with time travel is quantum mechanics, a branch of physics that deals with particles at the atomic and subatomic levels. In the quantum realm, particles can exist in multiple places at the same time, and they can even teleport by disappearing from one location and reappearing in another without passing through the space in between. If particles can do this, some physicists speculate, why not us? But let's not get ahead of ourselves. These theories, while fascinating, are still just theories. They have yet to be proven, and even if they were, the technical challenges of building a time machine are colossal. Despite the numerous challenges, the scientific community continues to explore the mysteries of time travel, driven by a mixture of curiosity and the quest for knowledge. So, what does the future hold for time travel? Could we one day hop into a machine and emerge in a different era? Let's take a moment to ponder these questions as we delve into the current state of research into time travel and the potential implications for the future. In the realm of science and technology, the concept of time travel is no longer relegated to the pages of science fiction. Today, researchers are earnestly exploring the theoretical possibilities of time travel, with breakthroughs in understanding the nature of wormholes, black holes, and the elusive fabric of space-time itself. However, this doesn't mean we'll be packing for a trip to the Jurassic era or the far future anytime soon. The technology and energy requirements for such a feat are currently far beyond our reach. Yet the very fact that we're having serious scientific discussions about time travel is a testament to how far we've come. But let's not forget, with great power comes great responsibility. The ability to travel through time would present a slew of ethical and practical challenges. For instance, there's the well-known grandfather paradox. What happens if you travel back in time and prevent your grandparents from meeting? Would you cease to exist? And what about the potential for misuse of this technology? Could it be used to alter history for personal or political gain? Moreover, there are questions about the psychological impact of time travel. How would it affect our perception of the present and our place in the universe? Would our actions in the present lose meaning if they could be undone in the future? But despite these challenges, the allure of time travel remains irresistible. The ability to witness history firsthand or to glimpse what lies ahead is an enticing prospect. Whether we're bound by the linear march of time or whether we can hopscotch through the ages, the exploration of time travel continues to captivate our collective imagination. Time travel, once a flight of fancy, is now a subject of earnest scientific exploration, and who knows what the future may hold? In this journey through the annals of time travel, we've explored its origins, its portrayal in popular culture, and the scientific theories that hint at its possibility. From H.G. Wells' groundbreaking novel, The Time Machine, to the modern cinematic renditions of time travel in movies like Interstellar, we've seen how science fiction has both entertained us and pushed the boundaries of our understanding. It has not only influenced our perception of time travel, but also inspired real-world scientific exploration. We've delved into the world of science, where theories such as Einstein's theory of relativity and the concept of wormholes suggest that time travel, at least theoretically, might not be a mere figment of our imagination. These theories have sparked lively debates among scientists and have led to a plethora of research in the field. With the advent of quantum physics and the exploration of phenomena like quantum entanglement and superposition, the concept of time travel has taken on new dimensions. It's a realm where the laws of physics as we know them seem to bend and twist, offering tantalizing hints of possibilities that lie just beyond our current understanding. Looking into the future, we've weighed the potential implications of time travel. From the paradoxes that could arise to the profound societal changes it could bring, the future of time travel is a fascinating topic. It's a prospect that fires up our imagination, and yet it also poses significant ethical and philosophical questions. To conclude, time travel, as we've seen, is more than just a staple of science fiction. It's a concept that has captivated our collective imaginations, challenged our understanding of the universe, and driven scientific inquiry. Whether or not time travel becomes a reality, the fascination it holds for us speaks to our inherent curiosity and desire to explore the unknown. For now, time travel remains a captivating concept that continues to inspire and intrigue. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, give us a like, and hit that notification bell for new content.